I linked up with YouTuber Philly Dom, and I did not expect the day to turn into this.
Man, it's another beautiful day to be alive. We outside, we turned up.
Too much partying, too much drinking, too much day activities.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV, and I am still in Thailand. This is still Pattaya Beach, Thailand, and I'm here with this cat, man, that I was following back in the day. I'm talking about 20, 30 years ago. Yo, we here with Philly Dom, y'all.
What's up, family? What's up? What's up? How you doing, man?
So look, man, I know we talked the other night, but like, how long do you plan to be out here?
I don't have a set time. I'm gonna stay in Thailand as long as I can, but I gotta go back to Vietnam. But I didn't think I was gonna like Pattaya. I call it potato. I'll be messing around.
Yeah.
I didn't know if I was gonna like it, but it's a good vibe here. But I see this is the best nightlife area I've seen in Asia, man.
Right.
Also, daytime. This is so much to do here, man.
Right.
So Thailand is one of them wild, crazy places. I'm still on the ropes if I like Bangkok more or Thailand more.
Yeah.
I mean, Pattaya more, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's a nice vibe here, man. I ain't gonna front. It's a nice, cool little vibe here.
Right.
Real chilled environment. What's up, my brother? Boom.
Bro. I love
chilling.
what you do.
Thank you, man. Thank you. So I'm learning the city. I don't really know too much, man. You probably got to help me, because this is my first time here. Usually when I go to places, I don't really do too much research and stuff like that. But I hear the stories, I watch the videos.
Right.
But yeah, this place will get you guys in trouble, guys.
What you mean? What do you mean by it'll get you in trouble? Like break that down for us.
Too much partying, too much drinking, too much day activities, like the beach, the massage parlors, a lot of good restaurant places, eateries, places to eat. It's like a adult playground.
Yes.
It's an adult playground. That's the best way to describe it.
Yeah, I agree.
So much to do, man.
I agree.
It's at affordable price. They say the prices are going up here. They say Thailand prices are going up, but it's still a cool vibe here.
Right.
It's one of them places that you really definitely want to come check out.
Yeah.
Definitely want to check out, man.
Yeah, and I agree with him, man. It's like if you don't really have your schedule together,
oh man,
especially when you first come out here, it is. I like the way you stated that too. It's an adult playground.
Yeah.
Unless you get it figured out, and that whole planning the schedule thing, especially for content creators, because he was just talking about he need to get in the condo and edit, and that's we could get out here and wheel this camera, but sitting down to edit is really something else.
I ain't expect to see this many brothers out here. There's a lot of brothers. Anywhere I've been in Asia, it's the most brothers I've seen, man.
Right.
And they living out here, and they staying out here for long periods of time. You definitely got to come here and check this town out. But Matt DV was saying, like, for content creators, man, you got to be real disciplined when you come out here. And even if you're just a traveler or a vacationer, you got to be disciplined, because you can blow through money, man. I'm blowing through more money here than I blew in Vietnam. Vietnam, I was like on a budget. I was cool, but everybody like, yeah, Philly down, Vietnam is cheaper and everything. But you got to have to be disciplined all around the boards, man. All around the boards.
Right.
But it's definitely a good time here.
Are you hungry, man? Are you hungry? Let's go over here and get something to eat, man. We go over here.
I'm a chicken brother. Anything chicken, I eat.
Is that pork?
That's pork.
Okay, that's pork.
Pork is a big deal out here, boy.
Yeah.
Pork is a big deal.
Oh, this chicken right here. Yeah. You got the chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm messing this up, man.
What happened?
Bugging. Oh no, I'm trying to turn the whole thing instead of flipping it around towards me. You've had the chicken before, brother?
No, this is my first time eating this one.
Okay.
This one's fire over there.
Yeah.
That one over there is fire.
That's like boiled chicken.
Bro.
Yeah.
Right across the,
Okay, yeah. You living it up, man. How long you been out here for?
a little bit more, bro. A little bit more.
Yeah.
It's nice out here. It's a little hot. I'm actually going to Vietnam tomorrow.
Oh yeah, that's my.
What part of
my
Vietnam?
home base.
One of the names.
Okay,
Man.
yeah.
For a month. I'm kind of slow traveling right now.
Yeah. That's the best way to do it,
Look at
man.
that, man.
Two chicken. Big guy.
Wow.
Protein.
Look, I'm a small guy. I need two pieces too. So what bring you out here?
What brought me out here, bro? Honestly, I just needed a change, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be out here permanently. I'm out here about 4 months.
Right.
I'm slow traveling, bro.
Okay.
I'm prior military.
Okay.
And,
So, what branch?
I was in the Army, bro.
Okay. All right. Thanks for your service.
Yeah, no problem, brother.
Retired?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Retired.
Okay.
I'm 39.
Young brother.
So,
Yeah,
you
man.
know, I'm out here just living, bro. You know.
That's the food right here.
Good, right?
There's some baked chicken, guys, and yellow rice and a little vegetables to make everything come together.
I'm ready.
Number
There we go,
one.
y'all. There we go.
Very good, very good.
Could you get some juice? Juice on mine?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, I like that juice on mine, y'all. I like it nice and juicy. Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah, more. One more. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, man. I like that.
That's too far of a flight.
It's too far for a flight not to come right to go right back. I tell everybody
Yeah,
that.
right there,
It's
y'all.
too far of a flight not to.
I thought this was a game, but they are not playing. We got the I'm gonna just say the boiled chicken and the rice, the yellow rice, the cucumbers, and I got some hot spicy Thai sauce right there, the garlic on there. Look at that, got that parsley. We all got the same plate, y'all.
For the double meat for
$3. $3, 100 baht. $3. Now you know back home, how much would this be back home?
15, 20 bucks.
I'm telling you, at least $10, right? At least
Depends on where you
10.
get it from.
Yeah, in Philly, New
Philly?
York,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a done deal. All right, y'all, that juice
Hotel, but
that she put on the rice,
they put you right there.
the truth.
And that walking street is right there. Everything is right there. And it's nice. Okay. I would tell you to stay there.
Okay. Is it is it kinda slow?
That rice has a lot of flavor, but I think it's because the juice that she put on it.
Okay.
How is the rice?
Rice is pretty good, man. Rice is
Was it
pretty
flavorful?
good. Yeah, rice is pretty good.
Because I told her to put some of that juice on mine, and it tastes delicious.
It's good.
We going in for the chicken, y'all. Y'all know I like wings. Where those wings at? I like them Jones, them wings. Them Jones.
Yeah.
Had to throw that Philly terminology in there.
Gone.
Look at this, y'all. This looks good.
Chicken good. I'll tell you like this. It's a travel tip though. When you see all the locals sitting and
It's
eating
hitting,
before
y'all.
you go, I seen a whole bunch of people sitting over here the other night.
He was like, that's what I'm eating at.
This place fire right here.
This is hitting, y'all.
They peninsula condos and stuff. Everybody know about the Arcadia.
Yeah.
Yo, we're gonna sit here and eat and chop it up for a minute,
Like
and we'll be back with y'all in a few minutes.
Actually, they just like so relaxed out there.
From coming back from, I had probably about 5 episodes on there, man.
Wow.
They took my laptop, they took my camera, they took almost everything, bro.
Yeah.
Only thing I had was my cell phone. Cause old girl forgot to lock the door on the car
Wow. And they checked.
in Atlanta, Georgia.
I expect that in Atlanta, so I ain't even panic.
Yeah, I know. I'll be on
Vietnam,
guard,
I
but
wasn't expecting it to happen in Vietnam. Like,
yeah, Vietnam. I was y'all see how I kept my bags close in Vietnam.
I talked about it. They was like, "Oh, you keep complaining about your equipment, man." Because like he said, you got episodes on there, you got videos on there, you got everything on there.
Yeah.
It was more that the content than anything.
It was the content. They
That
could have
really
had
fix-
the equipment.
Yeah.
Hear that? They found the guy, but he didn't have the gear on him. It was at the pawn shop. The gear was at the pawn shop. But this the walk-in John. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, this Thailand, y'all. Like, look, he left his stuff here. Y'all, he from Philly too, y'all. He know better than to leave his stuff. Look, y'all, in Thailand. Look. Most likely, yo, here in Thailand, he's good to go, yo. He's good to go. So I wouldn't even have no fears. Of course, you're gonna put that guard up, man. We from the East Coast, but this stuff is here. Look at his condo, y'all. Look at the pool up out here. Everything. I know where to come now. I'm coming. Let me see. Oh, look, yo, you got Travel Addict Tez back there, too.
Another episode out here in Pattaya. I just went on the wild.
How much is the Airbnb condo?
Oh, these is $30. $30 a night.
$30 a night, y'all.
Like 70,
Right here.
Low season is upon us. $30 a night. I'm moving. $30 a night, y'all. All right, so this is, I'm telling you, bro, this is about the same size as my apartment. Go ahead.
The only thing that's different is the sheets is the same thing. Let me put this air on.
Yeah,
So
this
we got we got the wash machine out here. Got the nice little view out here.
Yeah, a nice view.
Look at that view. That view is nice.
Yeah, nice.
I'm gonna make you want to jump in the water.
I got your air for you, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, this is about the size of my apartment. But this is a good deal, y'all. $30 a night.
Yeah.
It's simple, you know, and it ain't like just one room like a hotel room. That's what the magic of babies are made.
Yeah.
Oh, they even got a washer out here. You got your dryer right there. $30 a night, y'all.
Oh, bang, bang, bang. Привет.
Albania.
Oh, yeah, Albania.
Albania. Okay.
Dobro pičke, huh? Pretty good. I got some Albanian friends.
Ah.
Where are they from? Well, from the States.
States, yeah.
Yep.
How we liking here?
We're from the States, but we're all from different states.
Philadelphia.
Oh yeah, we spread out.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yep.
Florida.
Yep.
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Georgia.
Hey,
Georgia.
Aloha. Hawaii.
Hawaii in the building.
Ohio.
Ohio. Ohio.
He's from the Flats. He's from Cleveland.
You want a drink, bro? Joint.
He said joint, baby.
You was hitting that, huh?
You want some Coke? Coca-Cola?
You said Coke.
Did you see me with?
We out here relaxing, man, with the fellas from the States and from Albania. And this is a real nice place, man. I like this spot. Anyway, on to the next one, whatever that may be.
Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day to be alive. We outside, we turned up. We got no work time in, gotta get that pumpkin on, man. Got that, got that only big nigga in the party. Oh, my bad. No big niggas in the party.
Hi, what's going on, man? All right, good. Good to see you, man.
What's good, man? Monte Vlogs in this bitch. You already know. We're in Pattaya. We're just living a dream life. That's straight like that. You know what I'm saying?